Welcome to the Textual Education. In this video, we will learn how to fetch data from database with the help of RESTful APIs. In this video, we will learn how to create a REST API that will fetch all data of employees or get a specific data for a specific employees. So let's get start. We will learn how to get employee by ID with path variable annotation and how to get employee by with query param annotation. So let's get start. Open your employee DAO class, create a method to fetch all the data from database. We have to create a wrapper that will give us data from database by binding in a bean. So create an employee row mapper here. Employee row mapper need to extend row mapper. Sorry, need to implement row mapper JDBC core package, and here we have to pass the our bean, that is employee model. Now hit the control spacebar and overwrite a method by map row. Create a employee model object. Now we have to bind data in model object. How we will bind? Let's check. We have to set data model dot set name, and how we will get name? We will get from result set object, that is rs dot get string name. Name is a variable name of our table name, that means column name of our table. Then model dot set department rs dot get string department, then model dot set salary rs dot get int. Here we will pass the salary column name. Next, model dot set mobile number rs dot get string. Here we will pass mobile number column and return this object. All done. Now let's move to the our DAO class. Here we will create a method to get all data from database with the help of row mapper class. So public employee response get all employees. Let's create a object of employee response first. And return this rs object. Now done. Let's set the value in try catch block. Catch the exception if any exception occurred. Set in our response object, that is set status failed, and set message equal to ex dot get message. Now create a query string query equal to your SQL query. Here select name comma department comma salary comma mobile number from table name employee. This will select all data of employee table. Now how we will bind this data? The column name must be same that we bind in our rowmapper class. Otherwise, it will throw an exception, undefined column name like this. Then create object of rowmapper class, that is employee rowmapper. Employee rowmapper emp rowmapper equal to new. Now create a list object that will contains the employee model object that will be written by the rowmapper class, like this. List emp model emp list equal to jdbc.query. The first parameter will be query and the second parameter is rowmapper object, emp rowmapper. Done. Our code will execute and query execute and store all data in emp list object. Now let's check the emp list is empty or not. First let's check emp list not equal to null and emp list dot size greater than 0. That means the emp list have some data. So let's set the status accordingly. Success and res.message data found and res.set data to our emp list that will contain the list of employee object. Else res.set status to fail res.set message data not found. Now this is done. Okay, let's save this class and move to the service class. Service interface. Here we will create a method public employee response get all employees. Now let's give the implementation of this method to the employee service IMPL class. Hit the control spacebar and select a method, and here we will use DAO.get all employees. Now everything is done. Let's move to the controller. Create a method, create a annotation get mapping and give the name to the end URL at as get all. Now create method public employee response get all employee. Return service dot get all employees. Done. This will return all the employees from RESTful APIs. Okay. Employees, our URL will be employee/get. This is a get mapping required, so it will work in browser as well. So let's test in Postman first. Select the method as get. Now change it to get all. This is going to fail. What does it mean? SQL syntax exception. I think something is missing in our query. So let's check the query again. Mismatch that we need to correct. Change it to employee. That's it. It is not finding the employees table because it is available with employee name. So now check it again. Hit the send button. Now the response is coming in JSON format with all employees details. Here ID is 0. I think we forget to bind the ID. So let's change in our query. First ID, then comma, then we have to bind in this in row mapper class as well. So move to the row mapper, model dot id, set id, rs dot get int id. Now it is working fine. Let's check again. Go to the postman and send. Click on send button. Now it is giving the proper response with id. So all is working fine. In this video we learn how to fetch the employees data with the help of REST APIs. Hope you learn successfully. In next video we will learn how to fetch a specific employee record from the database. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Kindly hit the like button, subscribe our channel for future notification. Bye bye. See you in next videos.